Hello, and welcome to this video preview for the This or That Morning Work and Attendance resource. I'm so excited that you're here. I want to show you a deeper look inside of this resource and give you some ideas for how to use it. So first, let me show you what's inside of the download, and then we'll get to how to use the digital attendance tracker inside. Once you open the folder, you're going to find these three things. You're going to open this folder and you're going to see two documents. This document is the instructions, which I'm going to show you here in a second. And then inside of this folder, you have all of your weekly worksheets, and you'll see they're labeled by sets. So set 1, set 2, all the way to set 60. You don't have to use them in any specific order, but they are all labeled accordingly. So set 1 matches the set 1 of the digital activity as well. And I will show you all of that. So we're going to open up set 1, but let's go back for a second, and I want to show you the this or that instructions. This is the document where you're going to find all of your links for the digital attendance trackers for all of the 60 sets. So you're going to download and copy all of those to your Google Drive. It also has directions in here for how to use each of the worksheets and more instructions for putting things in your Google Drive. Now, when it comes to the weekly worksheets, this is one set and this is what it will look like. So you have your cover page is what this front page is called. And basically this goes on the front. So this is Monday's question, Tuesday's question, Wednesday's question, Thursday's question, Friday's question. And then you have an activity for each day of the week. Now, every day of the week, each week is the same. So every Monday is a writing prompt. Every Tuesday is graphing. Every Wednesday is this determine your opinion, cross one out, color it in, and then finish the sentence. Every Thursday is a sorting activity. Every Friday is a tracing activity for vocabulary from the whole week. You have this option as well as this option here. So what you're going to do is you'll print this out and have this ready for each of your students. So this is the printable activity. It is not available in a digital aspect, but let me show you the digital aspect and how it corresponds with this worksheet here. Here we have the set 1. This is the digital attendance tracker. However, you could use this in any way that you would like. Basically, what you're going to see is you're going to have one slide for each question for that week. So this is Monday's question, Tuesday's question, Thursday's, or Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And you'll start with Monday. Now, what I do recommend here is this is where you're going to put all of your students' names. So do this once and then you're done. So you'll put all of your students' names in here. So I'm just going to put in some names over here. So say we have students in our classroom. Now when they come in, you would have this zoomed out so that they could easily move their name to whichever they choose. So then they will find their name and then they're going to move that box to whichever they choose. So each student will take attendance for themselves essentially to help you out, and then you will have them move all of the boxes, their names box for that day. And they'll do this every single morning once they've done put their backpack away and all of those things, or whenever you're doing this activity throughout the day. You can delete the other boxes. What I do recommend is before you have them move their boxes, I would copy them and then copy and paste them onto each slide. You can retype the names in, but it's much easier if you copy and paste them. So then you're going to do that. So now once you've done this activity in the front, the student's going to go back to their desk or wherever they're working, and then they'll fill out the worksheet for that day. It'll either be the writing, for Monday it would be the writing prompt. So they're going to write about would you rather own a dog or a cat, and they're going to write about why. So each question is not holiday related, so you can use them at any time. And once you do this for a couple of weeks, these are great activities to add into your sub-plans for emergency substitutes that come in your classroom when you have to take an unexpected day off. They also work great in that way. Now, what I love about this resource is that it includes a digital aspect as well as a printable aspect. It gives the students the best of both worlds. And the other thing that I really love about it is the printable worksheets that come with it is the cover page, because you can take this cover page and use it in a variety of different ways. Have students write the full date, have them write the abbreviated date with numbers only, have them write their name, and it gives them a way of tracking their own attendance as well, and it gets them making choices. They can either circle, they can color, they can X out the one they don't want, and then they go through each worksheet for each day, And each day of the week, so every Monday is a writing prompt, they know what to expect on a Monday. And that gives them that routine that creates a stress-free environment to give them a great start to their day. If you have any other questions about this resource, please check the product description, send me an email, send me a Q&A. I'm happy to walk you through it if you need more help than that. And don't forget to like this video or share it whichever social media platform you are on. I'll see you guys next time.